Yeah.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Misha here, and today we are doing a discovery test with the not discovery set test with Kilian, and this is the one, I forget what it's called. I know, like, the whole collection had its name, so I'll insert the name up here on the screen somewhere. But in this set, you have Princess, Kissing, Adults, and After Sunset. So I hear a lot about Princess, and that's what drove me to buying the Discovery collection, because Princess was trending, and when I went to look for it, or even like samples of it by itself, it was sold out. I did find it, the full bottle of Princess, on like an off-branch site, and but I didn't want to make the full purchase. I didn't want to do the blind buy on that, because I don't know, because I was reading the reviews, and they were like mixed reviews. Some people were saying that the longevity wasn't good. Some people were saying they didn't like it. Some people were saying it was like, don't in the fragrance. Don't like in the fragrance. It's a great fragrance. It gives cozy vibes. It gives gourmand. So I was like, cozy, gourmand sounds like what I want to try. So came in on Sephora, and I found it there, and so I went ahead and purchased it, and I pulled the trigger on this. This little baby was about 20 bucks plus shipping, and yeah. So let's just get into the little guys here. So you get 4 fragrances, and they're just 4 1.2 mls. Now, I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. Has ginger, green tea, marshmallow. Kissing burns 6.4 calories a minute. Want to work out. Has lily of the valley, honey, hot milk, and sugar candy. These names are just so and when you think of Kilian, when I think of the name Kilian, I just think like provocative, like dark, mysterious, mystique, sexy is what I think of. The next one is Let's Settle This Argument Like Adults in the Bedroom Naked. And that one has fig milk, cedarwood, vanilla. Fun Things. The next one is Fun Things Always Happen After Sunset, and that one has blackcurrant, lychee, and rose. So we're just gonna get into sniffing, and I'm gonna give you guys my favorite scents out of the 4. And yeah, so we're gonna start. I want to do After Sunset, so I'm always starting this way first, which is the opposite way, you know, from the camera. But we're gonna do After Sunset and save the mostly hyped for last. Okay, so After Sunset, again, this one has blackcurrant, lychee, and rose. Okay, so it's not sweet. It's not bad. It's drying down. It's reminding me of it's pleasant though. I love it. I'm a fan of blackcurrant. So off top, I smell that. Rose. The blackcurrant and rose. That's an interesting, but it's doing, you know, it does good. If you like, this could be a unisex kind of fragrance to me, because it's not a sweet fragrance at all. It's not heavy on the floral. It's actually giving me a clean type feel. It's really good. It's a mellow skin type. Gives me a body wash feel, like one of those really good smelling Caress. No shade either, because I love my Caress, but this it's not a bam, it's not a beast, you know, and it gives you cozy vibes, but fresh, clean, cozy vibes. I like it. The dry down is even better. Like the dry down, you get all three. What's more prominent? I'm gonna have to say it maybe the lychee because I'm not familiar with that smell and the name together just yet, and so the black currant and the rose is not popping out as much as the unknown scent to me, which would be the lychee. So if you're a fan of lychee, you definitely would love this. I like it. Would I buy it? The jury's still out. So we're gonna move on to the next one again. That was After Sunset. The next one is adults. Let's settle this argument let's settle this argument like adults in the bedroom naked. I better like this. So provocative, so what do they call it? Vulgar. So let's see. Yeah, I remember because I test these before. I've worn them all on my skin. And this was one of my favorites, I remember. It just smells so good. It's fig, milk, cedarwood, and vanilla. Those three are really good. Really, really good. Now this I would buy a full bottle. Definitely. It's soft. It gives me kind of powdery vibes. It's sensual. Yeah, I'm definitely getting like a powdery, but not, like Johnson & Johnson, but definitely a powdery vibe in there. And I love cedarwood. So cedarwood, that vanilla cedarwood. This is a good one. This is a good one. It's seductive. It gives me seductive vibes. Where like you spray it on your neck and your significant other would love to just be sniffing. That smells really good. Like, you smell good. You smell good. That's what this would do. I really like this. So yeah, this one here, fig milk, cedarwood, vanilla, and this is adult. And I would definitely would purchase this. And I'm not even gonna lie, I've already tried and I can't find it. It's not in stock. So if you have this and you don't like it, shoot the girl a DM on IG. I definitely would purchase it from you. I love this fragrance. I want this in my collection. Yeah. Adults, thumbs up off top. So the next one we're going to do is Kissing. Kissing is Lily of the Valley, hot milk, and sugar candy. So, let's see. This give me I don't like this. Not the top, like the open notes I don't like. It's really strong. It's giving me vintage floral. And like hair product or like old hair product. Or face cream, like an old face cream. The dry down is getting better though. I guess this heavy scent that I'm getting at the top is that Lily of the Valley, because I'm not familiar with that, you know, the name and the scent together. And Lily of the Valley is a scent. If this is the scent I'm smelling, it's a vintage scent. I've smelt it throughout my lifetime in different things, perfumes, body. You know, remember the body powders with the big poof that maybe your grandmother had or your mother. Maybe the face creams. This is what it gives me, and it's not a bad smell. It just takes me there. It's definitely giving me like old beauty product in a good way with floral. And I'm getting powder. I'm getting a powdery dry down with this too. Maybe that's the hot milk that I'm like, because all of them have like, except for Princess, they have like a milk or vanilla, like this one, fig milk, hot milk, and the other one, black lychee, you know. But these two in the middle, their notes gave like a powdery dry down kind of. Yeah, this definitely gives me like, I don't know if it's Mary Kay or Avon or, but it's giving me like a face cream, but good. You know, like good, a hair product. Like I cannot put my finger on it, but this is, it's good. Now would I buy it? I don't know. If I'm feeling nostalgic, I probably would buy it. Like they probably could get me in the store if I was feeling nostalgic that day. Yeah, because it's not bad. I wouldn't mind putting it in my collection. So again, that one is Kissing. And all of these give me like a soft element to them. They're not like these scents. They're not giving me, you know, boom, shakalaka. So this one here, the favorite by everybody. I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. This has ginger, green tea, and marshmallow. So top note, hair product. I'm a hair girl, so probably that's like a lot of fragrances will remind me of hair products. Ah, but it's good. I'm not getting marshmallow off top. What am I getting? Probably the green tea and ginger mixture. And the marshmallow may come in at the dry down. It's pleasant. It's not a beast either. This is Saturday going to the mall. Like getting up early Saturday and spray this on for like errands. Smells sweet but not too sweet. Clean but not too clean. Or green, like more greenish than clean, because it do give you like that, not too much herbal, but I'm getting some type of herbal. I'm thinking I'm liking the ginger that I'm smelling too in here. Yes, I think you would like this. It's not like I was expecting more. I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting more, considering how much it's raved on and people are so disappointed with it being discontinued. When I wore it, it dried down. It smelled sweet, smelled good. It just didn't last long, like people did say. On the clothes, longer. Skin, not so much. It's a good scent though. Out of all four though, my favorite, I would have to say is adults. My favorite is adults. This one here, yeah. It's something about adults just take me to my past. I always say that. You guys are gonna get tired of me saying that. But yeah, I love this. Adults would definitely be the one that I would purchase. I'm going to pull it back out because I just want to put it on the skin too. But these fragrances is discover. I love discovery sets. I think it's such a great idea for people that don't want to make that hefty purchase on a blind buy. And I like having this. This has definitely made me like the house of Kilian. I would definitely be trying different fragrances from the house. And if the purchase, oh, if you guys have adult or know a website that I can find adult full bottle, please let me know. I definitely would appreciate it. I've checked his website, Sephora. I've done the Google search. I have not found it. So yes, if you have a link, please link it below. I would appreciate it. I definitely want this adults in my collection. And I might even pick up Princess because, like I said, she's a great daytime when it's not hot, like nice breezy days, nice breezy Saturday. Spray yourself and go out and handle your errands. By the time you're done with your errands, it'll be done. It served its purpose. That type of perfume. So I would definitely enjoy having that in my collection as well. So yes, guys, that is the discovery set of the Kilian brand. And again, we had Princess, Kissing, Adults, and After Sunset. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Channel is an infant, trying to grow it to at least toddler stage. So if you could, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will be alerted every day that I upload, which is 5 times a week. I'll be coming to you guys scent trying because I'm on a scent hunt. I am hunting to, like build my perfect collection. So yeah, please join me, and if you have any suggestions, any comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. And until next time, peace, love, and happiness.